Have you ever wondered how Google's Tesseract-OCR recognizes text so accurately? It's fascinating, right? If you're curious about the algorithms behind this powerful tool, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the algorithms used in Tesseract-OCR for recognition. I totally get it. Many people are intrigued by how technology can read and understand text just like we do. It's a common question, and you're definitely not alone in wanting to know more about the technology behind Tesseract-OCR. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, which algorithm is used in Google's Tesseract-OCR for recognition? Is it a neural network? This is a great question and one that many tech enthusiasts have. So what's the answer? Tesseract-OCR primarily uses a combination of traditional image processing techniques and neural networks for text recognition. Understanding this blend helps us appreciate how Tesseract achieves such high accuracy. And stick around. I'll share some insights on how you can leverage Tesseract-OCR in your own projects at the end of this video. To understand the algorithm used in Google's Tesseract-OCR for recognition, we should first note that it primarily utilizes a neural network-based approach. This is a significant advancement over earlier versions that relied on traditional pattern recognition techniques. The user should know that Tesseract employs long short-term memory networks, or LSTMs, which are a type of recurrent neural network. This allows Tesseract to effectively recognize text in various fonts and styles. Additionally, Tesseract uses a combination of both character and word recognition. This means it analyzes text at both the character level and the word level, improving accuracy in recognition. Finally, the user should be aware that Tesseract is open source, which means that developers can contribute to its improvement and adapt it for various applications. This community-driven approach enhances its capabilities over time. Fun fact: Tesseract was originally developed by Hewlett-Packard in the 1980s and was later open-sourced by Google. It's amazing how far it has come since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. According to another user, Google's Tesseract-OCR uses a neural network-based algorithm, specifically an LSTM model, for text recognition. This approach focuses on line recognition and enhances the accuracy of text extraction. Here's a tip. If you're looking to implement Tesseract-OCR, make sure to pre-process your images for the best results. Clean images lead to better recognition accuracy. And there you have it. Now you know the algorithms behind Google's Tesseract-OCR. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. And remember, with the right tools, you can harness the power of OCR in your own projects.